Hi guys! Welcome to my channel, Your Home Properties Within Your Reach. Again, this is Kay, your Bulacan Realtor. So guys, if you're looking for a house, pwedeng duplex kung di ka naman choosy, or townhouse, and you're looking for a 3 bedrooms or 2 bedrooms na with additional office room for you, 2 toilet and bath with carport, and you want na yung neighbor mo is peaceful, tahimik, and hindi malapit sa highway. At the same time, gusto mo ng hindi din naman sobrang layo sa community or commercial spaces like cities and Quezon City, yun, mga ganon. And you're looking for an affordable house and lot here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, I have a project for you na baka magustuhan mo. So, introducing Princess Homes, our duplex project here in San Jose del Monte, located in Barangay Santo Cristo. So, come on guys, let's have a tour. Syempre, doon muna tayo sa kanilang dressed up model. Guys, ang ating dressed up model. So, this one, complete finish na siya. So, bear with me, madilim tayo. Wala tayong kuryente as of now. So, let's just open this. Yan, para magkaroon tayo ng window. So, we have aluminum sliding window sa turnover natin. Ayan. Aluminum sliding window. Meron ka na, tatakpan mo na lang to. So, meron ka ng storage area dito. Ito yung living area mo. So, painted walls to upon turnover. Meron ka ng 40 by 40 na tiles. So, maluwag siya. Mamaya tingnan natin yung kanyang turnover unit. So, you have your space here for dining table. And this is your kitchen. You have your countertop, which is kasama na sa turnover. Ang maganda dyan, guys, magugulat ka. Kasama to sa turnover. O, diba? Kasama sa turnover, you have your cabinet here. You have your tiles here. You have your beautiful toilet and bath here. This is your toilet and bath. Okay, with tiles na yan. Okay. And, what I like, is you have your spacious service area or laundry area na you can divide into your laundry or your kitchen, dirty kitchen. It's up to you. So, yan ang iyong service area. So, pasok tayo sa second floor. Akyatin natin yung second floor. Pakita ko sa inyo ang ating mga rooms. So, our first room, this is your kids' bedroom. This is facing your car park, no? So, ayan, you have your space here. So, it's up to you how you will design or decorate your room. Bunk bed ginamit nila. Ikaw na bahala kung paano mo ilalagay yung mga cabinet. So, uso naman yung built-in. And you have this bedroom, second bedroom, pero dito ginawa nilang office, pero kasya to sa bedroom pa. Facing again sa iyong front yard or your carport. So this is your second bedroom. Okay, let's go to the master's bedroom. So I love the master's bedroom, guys. So you have your provision for your aircon here. You have your sliding window here. This one is located, nakaano siya sa iyong service area. You have your double bed here. And you have a lot of space. No? You have space. And your second bathroom is located sa iyong primary bedroom or your master's bedroom. This is your second toilet and bath. Okay? So, this is the finish of your toilet and bath. Okay, let's check for the turnover. Kung anong itsura kapag nilipat na sa'yo yung bahay. Let's go. Okay guys, so are you ready sa ating turnover? Ganito yung itsura niya pag turnover sa inyo. Ayan. So, you have yung space mo na dito. So, ito yung iyong living area kanina. Ito yung dining area mo. Then you have your countertop and your cabinet here, no? With provisions of glass door na. Cabinets here. And your service area. right here. Okay? Diba? So, turnover unit mo yan, guys. This is your first toilet and bath. So, sa pag tinurnover siya, hanggang ceiling na yung tiles mo. So, wala kang masyadong pagagawa. Dito, ito ay nasa loob ng Santo Cristo, guys. So, very peaceful ang neighborhood mo. So, you just have to have a car para mas madali ang iyong pagpunta, no? Okay, this is your first bedroom. So, may mga tiles ka na dyan. Your window here. Safe din siya sa mga bata kasi hindi naman ito nabubuksan, ito lang. So, hindi naman tatalon yung mga bata dyan. And, for your second bedroom, this one, you have your small space here. Pwedeng pull-out cabinet, whatever. It's up to you, your design. And syempre, yung primary bedroom natin. Ayan. So, this is the space for your primary bedroom. Ayan. So, hindi, yung kanyang finish ng wall is hindi siya smooth. So, ito yung sliding window and syempre ang ating toilet and bath here sa second floor sa iyong master's bedroom. Okay, ang master's bedroom, toilet and bath. So, you like it? So, you want to schedule a tripping? So, let's talk about the price muna. Okay guys, so nagustuhan nyo ba ang ating napakagandang model dito sa Princess Homes, dito sa Santo Cristo? So, if you're interested guys, this is our total contract price. Yan. Okay, for our down payment, ito lang siya guys. For our reservation fee. So, for more details, guys, message me on the number that you see on the screen, WhatsApp or Viber. Don't hesitate. And let's schedule our tripping. And I hope to see you soon and hear from you soon. Again, guys, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel, Your Home Properties. This is again Kay Nadera, your Bulacan Realtor. Bye! See ya!